In our last episode, you watched us almost finish the assembly of the sawmill. We now just have a few finishing touches. Will we ruin a few $1,000s worth of equipment, or will we succeed at milling logs? Stay tuned and find out. To cut wood, you need a blade. And besides aligning tracks, a main key in the blade is not too loose and not too tight.
Damn it.
Adam insisted on overtensioning. He also doesn't quite believe in wearing gloves when handling very, very sharp blades. We did get the blade on, and we finished the rest of the assembly. You can watch a separate video for that.
I think the log starts to taper a little around 14 feet. But I think we want to go a little shorter than that. So what do you think?
2 6-footers?
2 6-footers?
Okay.
Or 2 7-footers?
2 7-footers?
2 7-footers.
Okay.
Perfect.
The stubborn pine from a couple episodes ago finally fell down. Mother Nature helped us, and we use it for our trial cuts. We deliberately cut very short logs, something easy to maneuver. We're not quite milling our future floor planks yet. We're just practicing. In the future, we are planning to use our tractor to move the logs around, but for now, nothing better than old-fashioned manual labor. The log is now on the track. We got the fuel in, and we're ready to go.
Starts. It's our first cut!
So what we're doing is making a cant, a log that has flat sides. And the technique we wanted to try is just turning them 90 degrees each time, because they're log stops, log rests, vertical bars that help you align each side.
That looks great.
As you can see, it definitely wasn't straight. This is why we did our trial cuts. We wanted to understand if everything was level, if everything was straight, and it wasn't. We continued cutting just to understand the rest of the process. We knew we weren't making perfect boards, but we wanted to see it through. And making boards, once you have that can squared off, is extremely rewarding. It goes quick and you end up with boards. Remember, the ultimate objective here is to clear the pine grove behind the sawmill. That's where the septic will go. Adam will be cutting down the trees, and I will be making floor planks that will go into the future house.
You see the floor?
Think so. Knotty pine, red forest. But it's not all just hard work. We did go walk around the property for a little bit. And now it was my turn to learn.
Hey! High five!
We did make a number of adjustments for the second log. We leveled the blade, we straightened out the log rests, and we installed an additional log dog. Those clamps that hold the log in place. There's now 2. There were previously only 1. So everything's much more stable and much more square. This was definitely a much more square cant, and I made some boards and I made some 2x4s.
How many board feet did we do?
What's a board foot?
It's a foot of board.
What, how wide?
1
inch thick,
Sure.
foot wide, foot long?
Yeah,
A square foot?
sure. That sounds like what a board foot should be.
Okay. I don't know how many board feet this is, but enough for a picnic table. Stay tuned and subscribe.